Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking one language to learn deeply. Python or JavaScript are best for beginners because they let you build quickly. Once chosen, install a lightweight editor like VS Code and configure extensions. This speeds up learning. Next, set up Git and create a GitHub repo so every change is tracked. Do a tiny commit and push now, because making real progress requires practicing the workflow you will use for months. Now move into active practice. Learn a concept, implement it, then refactor for clarity and repeat. Start 3 small projects that cover different areas: a command line tool, a simple web form, and a data processing script. These force varied skills. Make tests part of your routine by writing 1 to 3 unit tests per feature so you catch mistakes early. Once done, review commits, ask for feedback, and iterate until the code is readable and reliable. To finish, polish the project. Write a clear README, add environment instructions, and configure continuous integration so builds run automatically. Deploy a simple version using GitHub Pages, Heroku, or Vercel to share your work publicly. Deployment reveals real-world issues. If something breaks, check logs first, try to reproduce the bug, and use step-bythy or a failing test to isolate the change. Make sure to fix the root cause. Then write a test so the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.